Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I'll be reviewing the HyperGal Alpha EA, an automated trading system that is available for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this EA is developed by Muhammad Abdul Rahman Omar Naima Allah Al Rais and is currently listed at a purchase price of 24,000 US dollars with a 1-month rental option available for 2,000 US dollars. The current version is 1.9, updated on June 3rd, 2026. Looking through the overview section, the developer describes HyperGal Alpha as a professional automated trading system that is built around a controlled basket and grid cycle approach. The main idea here is that positions are managed together as a single basket rather than as isolated trades, with several layers of risk management designed to help control exposure during changing market conditions. Now, as I continue through the product page, one of the key features highlighted is basket management. The EA allows users to define a basket take profit target in USD, meaning the entire trading cycle can be closed once a specific or a specified profit objective is reached. There is also an optional profit lock feature, which is designed to help protect gains after the basket enters a profit zone, potentially reducing the chance of profits being given back during market reversals. The page also explains that exposure can be controlled through configurable grid spacing, maximum levels, and lot progression settings. On top of that, HyperGal Alpha includes several safety-focused controls such as free margin protection, margin level thresholds, pending order pruning, and optional order limits. These controls are intended to prevent additional exposure from being added when account conditions become stressed. So in the input summary, we can see that users have access to basket controls, grid controls, risk controls, trade management options, and money management settings. The EA supports both fixed lot sizing and optional risk-based lot sizing, giving traders some flexibility depending on their preferred approach. Okay, so now moving into the historical backtesting section, this is where we can evaluate how the EA performed during the tested period. All right, so as always, I like to remind viewers that historical testing is useful for understanding behavior under past market conditions, but it should never be treated as a guarantee of future results. Now, looking at the completed backtested, information presented here, we can see that the balanced equity curve seems to be pretty interesting, but I can observe significant drawdowns on several locations. We can see the equity dropped notably here again. On several locations, there were substantial drawdowns. All right. And here, this shows the settings, right? The input settings for the expert advisor. Okay. And this seems to be the expert advisor in action. All right. So let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the EA behaved over the past 5 months plus. So we are testing the HyperGal Alpha EA on XAU USD on the H1 time frame, and we are testing it from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we are using the every tick modeling. All right. Now, looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit made was over 11%. precisely 11,284.23, and the total trades taken were 1,528, out of which 1,058 were profitable. So that gave us a 69.24% win rate. Now let's briefly look at the equity and balance. We can see that the balance drawdown maximal was just 1.25%. Okay, that's pretty fair. And the equity drawdown maximal was 6.1%. Right? Okay, so that's it's not exactly outrageous per se. And looking at the largest profit, it was 1,274.69. Largest loss was 356.08. Average profit 23.91. Average loss 29.81. So on average, the risk to reward ratio is not very good. It's actually bad. You know, the average loss is even bigger than the average profit. So the average risk to reward ratio is bad, right? But then looking at the completed chart activity and the trade history, the behavior seems consistent with the basket and grid structure described by the developer. You know, positions are managed collectively as part of a trading cycle, while the various risk controls are intended to help limit excessive exposure as the cycle develops. So the overall focus appears to be balancing profit objectives with account protection mechanisms rather than simply increasing position size without limits. Now, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing over different symbols, market environments, and account settings can provide a much broader perspective than a single historical test. And as for the historical results, it is important to remember that performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, leverage, and overall market conditions. Optimization choices made by the user can also have a major impact on outcomes. So overall, the HyperGal Alpha EA for MT4 and MT5 presents itself as a basket and grid-based automated trading system with a strong emphasis on risk controls, profit protection, and margin safety mechanisms. If you are considering this EA, I would strongly suggest starting on a demo account first, testing conservative settings, and performing your own optimization before moving to any live environment. So that will give you a much clearer understanding of how the system aligns with your risk tolerance and trading objectives. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.